Celebration and gratitude. Jamaicans react to news that national hero Marcus Garvey has been pardoned by U.S. President Joe Biden. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, the struggle of market vendors while trying to sell their produce at the Coronation Market, and a section of Holland bamboo damaged by fire. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. Details right after this break.